Hello everyone, this is Shweta Patil from Department of E&TC, AISSMS, Institute of Information Technology, Pune. Today we will see how we can set up an FTP server on Windows 10 operating system. First we will create a folder on the desktop and we will name the folder as FTP. So this folder we are going to use as an FTP source folder. The next step is to open the control panel. From this control panel, we will select the view by small icons and then choose the icon Programs and Features. In Programs and Features, we will turn on Windows features on and off. It will take some time and will open. We need to search for IIS, that is Internet Information Service. We will expand the checkbox and check on all this FTP server, FTP extensibility and FTP services. Once this option is checked, then click on OK. It will display a message that Windows has completed the requested change. Now you can close the window and once again go to the control panel. Here we will select the administrative tool, and in the administrative tool we will select the Internet Information Service Manager. Double click on it. Once this IISSMS is open, we will expand this desktop. In this, there is a site folder where the default website is visible. Here we are going to create a new website. To create a new website, right click and then go for Add FTP Site. Give here the name of the site. I will give the name here New, and the physical path should be given. This physical path should be given to that FTP folder which we have created initially. Then click on Next. Here we need to give the IP address of the computer. You can find the IP address of the computer by going to command prompt and using the command ipconfig. From there you will get the IPv4 address. Presently I will enter the IP address of my laptop, which is 192.168.43.28, and then select No SSL. Then click on Next. Select here Basic Authentication and allow access to specified user, and then give the name of the user here. Here the name of the user is going to be that name which is given to the computer. Presently you can go to the Start, and from here you can find that whatever the name of the user is there. Here the name of the user is Shweta Patil, that is why I will enter the same name here. After the username is entered, you need to give the read and write permission to that user and then click on Finish. It will add the new website in this site option. The next change is to change the firewall properties. To change the firewall properties, one needs to go to the control panel again. In control panel, select the Windows Firewall. In the Windows Firewall, go to allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Once it opens, we can change the setting here. Click on change setting and then search for FTP server. And FTP server, you need to check the private and public checkbox. Here already I have checked them. Once you check them, then click on OK. After that, we need to turn on Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Select here, see to it that you have turned off the Windows Defender Firewall on private network as well as the public network. After that, after you do these settings, you can click on OK. Now we need to create an extra account for the FTP user. For that, we need to go on the settings. After going to the settings, one needs to go to the accounts. In accounts, go to family and other users. Then click on add someone else to this PC. In here, click on I don't have the person's sign in information and then click on next. Click on add a user without a Microsoft account. Give the name of the user here. Here we can give the name of user as FTP-user. You can give a password here. Re-enter the password. These are the security questions which you need to give in case you forget the password. It is mandatory to give all the security questions, otherwise it will not take you to the next page. Then click on next. Here you can see that the FTP user has been added to the PC. Once we need to go to the control panel, and from the control panel one needs to go to the administrative tools, and in administrative tools go to IIS manager. Select the website, that is new. Then click on FTP authorization and rules. Here you can see that there is one user which is there. Right click and add allow rule. Click here specified user. In the specified user, give the name of the user. The name of the user is FTP-user. Give the permission to read and write and then click on OK. You can see here the FTP authorization rule has included one more user. Now you can close this window. As we have created this FTP folder using the Sweta Patil account, that is the main account, we need to allow the access to this folder to another account. So change the properties by going to right click and then properties. Once the property folder is open, then go to securities. In securities, you need to go to edit. In edit, click on add user. Here give the name of the user, FTP minus user, and check name. After giving check name, it will enter the object name and then click on OK. Here you will see that the username has been added. Select the name, click on apply, OK and OK. Open the browser, write here ftp://192.168.43.28, that is the IP address of my laptop, and enter. It will ask us the username. Here we are supposed to enter FTP user and the password which was given to it, and then click on sign in. So the FTP server is open by the web browser now. We need to create a file inside this FTP folder. So double click on the folder and open the folder. Create an FTP or create a test folder inside the FTP folder, and also create a test file inside the FTP folder. Minimize this, open the browser and refresh the browser again. Once you refresh the browser, now we can see here the test folder and the test document. So in this way we can set up FTP server on Windows 10 operating system. Thank you.